TrueCreate from TruEmbroidery software for Mac. Demo 1, Designing Beyond the Boundaries. Open TrueCreate from the dock or through Launchpad. From the TrueCreate toolbar, select Assistance, Quick Create, and Create into Hoop. In Choose Picture, click Select File to find your clip art. Ensure you're in Columns View, and then browse to TrueEmbroidery, Samples, Studio, Pix 2, PDF, and Climate. Click Climate 11, which is a star. Select Open. Then click Continue to go to Rotate and Crop Picture. In Rotate and Crop Picture, the star is cropped automatically and we don't need to make any changes, so click Continue. In Design Size, we would like to size our star to be a bit smaller, so we'll make the star 75 millimeters. Then click Continue to go to Choose Thread Colors. In Choose Thread Colors, we're going to change to our favorite brand of thread, and then we're going to ensure that there is a check in Remove Background Color so that we're not making white areas of stitches around the outer edge of the star. Select Continue to go to the Thread Color Preview. In the Thread Color Preview, select the fabric on which you intend to stitch, and the stitches will be optimized or compensated for that particular fabric. Uncheck the extra layer of underlay, as the underlay will automatically be created based on the fabric you chose, and leave preferred stitch type toward 0 to make mostly fill areas in your design. Select Continue. Here we can see our design preview, and it tells us how many stitches in the star, its height and width, and how many thread color changes. Select Done. And your star is loaded into the work area of the hoop. Drag the zoom slider at the top until the star nearly fills your work area. Then ensure the control panel is open and click Edit in the control panel. If necessary, click the film strip icon to open the film strip so that you can review all the parts of your star. The film strip may also be adjusted, smaller or larger, so that you can see more or less of the frames that are the objects that make your embroidery design. You can use gestures on your touchpad, a magic trackpad, or a magic mouse to scroll the film strip until you can see one of the pattern fill areas that form the body of the star. Click in the film to select any pattern fill, and you'll see it highlighted in color. You can right-click over the frame or use Control and click. And from the pop-up menu, select Global Properties. Global Properties will allow you to change all the same type of pattern fills at the same time. In the Pattern Fill Properties box, click Pattern. In the Patterns, set the patterns to Circles 1. And in Circles 1, select Pattern 71, Overlapping Rings of Circles. Click OK to close the pattern selection and OK to close the global properties. Notice all the patterns are changed at one time to the new overlapping rings. And this pattern adds dimension and texture to your fills in this star. Your design is complete. So you can select File and Save, which will save your star as an EDO file that preserves the designing information. You can also select File, Export Embroidery, and Export Embroidery will finalize the design, allowing you to choose to combine it, remove overlap, and sort down similar colors, and then save in one of many different formats for your personal embroidery machine. With TrueCreate, you can design whatever you dream.